Man, what a beautiful windy day for a ride. Now I'm heading into Tony's to see what's good.
Look at all this produce. Everything is so vibrant and organized today. Seafood is looking stacked, and check out these BOGO deals. They even have the new Modelo flavors. Such a successful haul. Peace out. Catch you guys on the next one.
I got some great stuff today. Gotta hurry home on my bike to make postpartum confinement meals for my daughter with some ribeye steak.
If you're craving something incredible, this beef stir fry is it. I start with quality cuts and season them heavy with salt and pepper. Get the pan screaming hot. We want a golden crust on every piece. While that rests, I saute the aromatics and peppers for a kick.
Toss that juicy beef back in and let the flavors come together.
Just look at that. It's perfectly tender. You've gotta try this. Craving something cozy? Let's make a lightning-fast gyudon. I start with plenty of onions and get that garlic sizzling. Once they're soft, I toss in my beef and that savory sauce. Now for the magic. I pour over whisked eggs and let them set. Give it a quick stir until it's perfectly silky and succulent. I garnish with fresh herbs and we're ready. Dinner is served. Forget all-day simmering. I start by dredging the beef in flour for that deep golden sear. Next, I saute the veggies and deglaze it all with red wine. Into the Instant Pot it goes. Just 35 minutes and it's done. Look at that, perfectly tender beef and a rich golden sauce. I serve mine over rice. Now I just have to hide it from the cat.
Only fresh bucket, okay? And liquor, okay. Well, looking for something. Fresh market. Wow. Today is the perfect day, celebrating my daughter and grandson's full moon, and I found great short ribs at the market. All these cooking ideas keep popping up on the ride home. I'm sprinkling some salt and pepper on these short ribs and letting them sit for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to quickly pan fry them medium rare. Please leave a comment and share how you like your steak done. Do you hear this sizzling sound? Aren't you also smelling the beef? Fry both sides for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. You take the short ribs out of the pan and let them rest for 5 or 6 minutes. Then they'll be golden crispy outside and juicy, flavorful medium inside. I've got to make sure my daughter's food is well done. Since she just had a baby, she can't eat anything rare, so I'm slicing up this seared short rib to turn it into a quick stir fry. Perfect. Check out this plate of quick fried beef short ribs and this pan fried beef short ribs. Does it make you feel like you are dining at a Michelin star restaurant? Please like and subscribe.
You know, if you cut flank steak thin like this, you can make a simple, delicious Japanese beef bowl too. I changed the sauce seasoning ratios and cooking steps so my daughter, who just finished postpartum confinement, can eat it with peace of mind. Of course, the taste is still excellent. As for the traditional beef bowl recipe, I will put it in the description box for interested friends to refer to. First, saute the shredded onions until soft and golden brown. Then add the garlic slices and saute until fragrant. Join in the well-adjusted sukiyaki sauce to a boil, then turn to medium-low heat and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Next, turn up the heat, add the sliced beef and extra onions. As soon as the beef changes color, add half of the egg mixture. When the soup thickens, add the rest of the egg mixture, sprinkle with green onions, cover the pot, turn off the heat, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Topping a bowl of hot white rice with cooked sukiyaki beef short ribs, does that make it homemade beef bowl? How do you make your beef bowl? Let me know in the comments.
We have a very good beef today, so
I cook
I thought
simple. I cook simple.
Simple is good.
and I have some vegetable, onion, and we will stew the beef today.
Alright, I'm gonna make a super simple, lazy version of beef bourguignon. The full traditional recipe will be in the description below if you're interested.
Some flour on top of the beef. Okay, so we will saute this beef.
Basically just pan fry or saute everything until fragrant, add 300-400 cc's of red wine and then put it in the Instant Pot to stew. Isn't it simple? Dinner will be served in 35 minutes. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.